under the starlit sky, with the crackling fire and the loon's gentle cry, oh, the beauty that surrounds us in every sight we see in Killarney, Ontario, where our spirits roam free. With each breath of brisk air, we're alive in this wilderness. Our souls thrive, from sunrise hues to the dusk's soft embrace. In Killarney's embrace, we find solace. So it's camping Killarney's embrace. We find solace, camping beers come grace. We find solace, camping in Killarney under the starlit sky. With the camping in Killarney under the starlit sky, with the crackling fire and the loon's gentle cry, oh, the beauty that surrounds us in every sight we see in Killarney, Ontario, where our spirits roam